Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Oh, I forgot to turn this on.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather threatens, in this case, the test will be conducted the next severe weather day. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. The Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather threatens, in this case, the test will be conducted the next clear weather day. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
It's a new warning. Yeah, I forgot. I had it all on. Dang it. That's why the advisory didn't sound.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA Weather Radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office. This is the
NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour.
So my 120 activated faster, but not my 400.
Recording and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area messaging code. The same system will alert only the county or county.
Oh, and I forgot to set that.
These tests are conducted each Wednesday. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm to transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area messaging code.
6:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the following.
And the thunderstorms arrived right when we got the test.
Alright, that was good. I'm gonna try to get W for KIC3 if they haven't tested yet.
I think they already did.
1 sec.
Huh.